Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about the rolling Cheetah boom. I've been contemplating about getting this stand for a while, but then I finally thought enough that yes, it is something that I would need and use in my studio. The reason why I'm going to purchase it is due to the fact that I can actually use it for still life product photography, mount my camera to it, roll it right over to the product, fire remotely from my tablet, and line up my shot, get everything ready, bam. Also, instead of me crawling up on a ladder and trying to shoot over the top of a model that's laying on the ground, I can come in with the stand, again, frame up my shot through the tablet and move in the stand, and then snap my shots, and I'm done without having to climb up onto a ladder. So that's the reason why I will be getting it. Again, it's a multi-purpose stand. I will mount lights onto it as a regular stand, or I can switch it into a boom in a matter of seconds. One of the things I like about the system is it has a multi-purpose head on the end for your spigot. So you can actually have the spigot facing straight out or straight down, or it would be straight up or straight to the side, depending on how you have the arm adjusted out, if it's in boom mode or stand mode. The casters I know work really well because it's the same, it's on the pistol grip stand. The pistol grip stand, I've used that on location. I've used it at swimming pools, stores, parking lots. Works great out there. It does not work great in gravel, and it does not work great in dirt. But if you are working on a flat surfaces, it's an awesome stand. Again, if you're a wedding photographer and you have room to move that stand, that's a nice stand that you can just roll around without having to pick it up, carry it around, and take it throughout the wedding. You can actually just roll it to where you need it to, and you're done. Again, I like multi-purpose stands, and again, it has the functionality as the old Cheetah boom, which the Cheetah boom is one of my favorite location stands if I do not want to carry the C stand, because it can go from a stand to a boom in a matter of seconds. And again, it's just nice, compact, light, easy to carry. And it's just, again, it's always in my vehicle. If you have not seen or heard about the Cheetah stand rolling boom, you can go to the Cheetah stand's website, or you can go and watch on YouTube Robert doing the introduction of the Cheetah stand rolling boom. It's just an awesome stand. Again, I know the quality is going to be fantastic due to the fact that I've been dealing with Edward for the last 8 years. I've been a proud Cheetah stand user, and I've bought all the modifiers I've used for the last 8 years. I've been using is basically Cheetah stand. I mean, there's a few out there that I do that use that aren't Cheetah stand, but that's a limited few because Edward has such a wide variety and selection of products that I don't have to buy and use another company's products. And the nice thing about using the same product from the same manufacturer is that the color consistency is even through pretty much every single one of those modifiers. Like if I was using Ellen Chrome or Broncolor Pro Photos boxes, the color, the Kelvin temperature is going to be different on each one of those. So Ellen Chrome is a little bit more bluer than Edwards is a little bit warmer. So again, I don't have to worry about this one's going to be warmer or this one's going to be cooler. They're all going to be the same when you buy from one manufacturer. Again, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and this is the reason why I'm going to buy the Cheetah stand rolling boom. As soon as I get to my new location and I can order it, so therefore it goes to the right address and I get it on time. Again, thank you for watching.